Good evening, guys. Today I'm from Vision World Tech. Tell you something about NONC switches and LEDs. We all know what is, according to me. I'm pre-assuming that you know about NO and NC. Let me tell you something. I'm not going in so brief. I'll tell you something about NO. NO is normally open and NC is normally closed. So when we are doing working with NO and we make it in operating condition, then NO is normally open, and when we are working with NC, then it is normally closed. Okay, so now not so more about all these things. We'll talk about NC context. This is an NC button. As we have seen, this is a red color button, so we normally use signature NC for red, and for green NO. There is not so much difference between these two buttons. Firstly, we'll talk about this NO. NO is green. So here we have seen that it is written NO. NO means when we just push this button, then this point and this point, I'll again explain you, this point and this point will work as NO when we just make it in an operating condition. Operating means when we push this button. Okay, guys. As we have seen that the configuration of this button is 10 ampere and 500 volt. It means that it can give us the switching speed of 10 ampere and 500 volts. Okay, guys. Now I'll tell you something about NC. Both the configuration is given in this buttons, that like NO, and this two are NC. This is NO and this is NC. NC means normally closed. When we make it in operating condition, then it will automatically gets open. Okay, guys. So that's all about NO. Now we will talk about NC. This is an NC button. You can just read out the configuration from this button, from this left or right, maybe written on these, normally written on this side. Okay, you can read this from there. This is an NC button. NC means normally closed. So when we are not operating this, so the better word I have to use it, like when we don't press this button, then at that period of time this is in on condition. It means the circuit is on, and when we push this button, then this will come in not convert. Okay,